Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle.
I want to ride my
bicycle, bicycle, bicycle.
I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike.
My name's Malpass, and this is my bike check. First, I got my Fit FAF 2.3 tires with an inner tube. Then I got my Primo chrome rim. Halo spokes, still holding up, bending well. Profile mini front female or male, hope I don't really know. And then this one's quite sentimental. MTG this thought because my mum and dad take me to church every Sunday. And then I've got, if I move up, I've got my frame, I've got a blue proper TTL frame with a motor on the front. If you want to have a close up on motor. Motor. I think you know motor. I think so. And then I got Odyssey. I don't know. Odyssey gyro with top plate. Profile 2-year-old stem. Holding up very well.
Proper
2-year-old stem. With an Amity top cap. I got the proper TTL signature jet Malpass bars. And then cable tie. Good. I've got ODI grips with Shadow Conspiracy bar ends. Odyssey 2 cable gyro diva thing. And then we move down. Got the I've got the King Sean Sexton seat signature. Yeah. Premium pedals with profile cranks and a profile 30 tusk bracket. A KMC snapper chain because it snaps a lot. And then I move up and I've got what are these? Seat. Oh. Chain. Proper chrome brake pedal with proper brake pads. That's it. And then well, we've got another Fit 2.3 white wall and black tire with a Primo rim, Halo spokes, and a profile mini back hub female or male, I don't really know. Oh no, I've got a seat post. And then, what else have we got?
seat,
No, I've said that.
handlebars,
Said that.
grips,
Said that.
brake,
Well, I know. No, that's it.
Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle.
I want to ride my
Bicycle,